My name's Tom Manzocchi. I'm an associate professor in the School of Earth Sciences. I'm here to talk about two MScs, the bottom two on that list we've got on the slide there. So we've got these, the two MScs we have in the School of Earth Sciences then are the MSc in Subsurface Geomodelling and the MSc in Environmental and Engineering Geoscience. So that second MSc is a new one. So we're quite excited about that. And the Subsurface Geomodelling one, we've been running that for a number of years. Both our MScs really are MScs in applied geology, and we designed them to basically provide geoscience graduates with skills necessary for a career in geology. So the first MSc, the MSc in Subsurface Geomodelling, is focused on the deeper subsurface. So we're looking at depths of 500 meters or more typically, which is the kind of depths you need to consider if you're worried about resource extraction, mineral resources, waste disposal, CO2 sequestration, geothermal heat production, oil and gas, these kind of things where we really need to go quite deep into the crust, 500 meters, 2 kilometer depth, that kind of thing. And the industries involved in these things are increasingly they need digital models to be able to understand the subsurface and to predict the behavior of the subsurface. So what we're trying to do in this MSc really is train people to be able to make and understand these digital models and to understand the geological processes that are associated with those industries. So the second MSc, the MSc in Environmental and Engineering Geoscience, is focused on the surface or the very shallow subsurface. So really we're only looking at depths of maybe 100 meters or less there. And I suppose this is the kind of depth and the regions where humans interact with the geological system. And that's what we're focusing on in that MSc. So we're looking at, people who want to work in ground site investigation, hazard assessment, environmental impact, contaminated land reclamation, that kind of thing, engineering geology, hydrogeology. So yeah, both MScs are full-time, 1 year. And I suppose our teaching style is really a combination of lectures, practical classes. We like getting out and about and looking at going to sites or field, outcrop areas to talk about geoscience in the field as well. So various teaching approaches. But that's what we're trying to do, basically. Take geoscience graduates and make them industry ready, I suppose, with one of these two MSc classes.